How to wash a wool coat. Washing wool is easy. Wool is naturally stain-resistant, odor-resistant, and also crease-resistant, so actually requires less washing. This means that caring for wool is both easy and gentle on the planet. Wool is a warm and durable fabric, and a wool coat will give you years of wear if you care for it properly. It is necessary to wash a wool coat a couple of times each season, but you do need to take special care to avoid pilling, shrinking, and distorting the fabric. It may be possible to wash some wool coats in the machine. But despite what you might have believed, wool coats can often be washed at home if done properly. Another key to cleaning a wool coat is to avoid putting it in the dryer, because this will lead to shrinkage. Welcome to Best Choices. This video will tell you how to pre-treating a wool coat, hand washing the coat, washing a wool coat in the machine, and drying a wool coat. Now let's talk about the process. Key takeaways. 1. Check the label on your wool coat for specific washing instructions to avoid damaging it. 2. Gather necessary materials such as a basin, mild detergent, clean cloth, and lukewarm water before starting the cleaning process. 3. You brush your wool coat before washing to remove dirt and debris from the surface. 4. Pre-treat stains using warm water and gentle detergent before hand washing or machine washing your wool coat. Method 1. Pre-treating a wool coat. Number 1. Read the care label. You should always read a garment's care label before washing it, because the care label will tell you exactly how to proceed. Check the care label for whether you can machine wash the coat or if it has to be hand washed. Which cycle to use in the washer, if permitted. What detergents or soaps to use. Other special washing and care instructions. Drying instructions. Whether the coat is dry clean only. Number 2. Brush the coat. Use a garment brush and wipe the coat gently to remove dirt, dust, food, mud, and other particles that have collected. To prevent felting and making the wool fluffy, brush lengthwise from the collar to the bottom. You can use a damp cloth to brush the coat if you don't have a garment brush. Number 3. Spot clean the coat. Look over the garment for dirt, food, and other stains that may be on the fabric. To spot clean, apply a small amount of mild detergent, such as Woolite, to the affected area. Rub the detergent in gently with your finger until the dirt comes loose. Even if you don't see any soiling, spot clean the collar, cuffs, and armpits of the coat. You can also use a stain bar or cashmere and wool shampoo to spot clean a wool coat. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 2. Hand washing the coat. Number 1. Clean out your tub. Rinse out your bathtub with a bit of soapy water and a sponge. Rinse out all the soap with clean water. This will ensure that you have a clean area to work in, and will prevent dirt from the tub from being transferred to the coat. If you don't have a bathtub you can use, clean out a large sink or wash basin. Number 2. Fill the tub with water and detergent. When the tub is clean, put in the plug and fill it with lukewarm water. While the water is running, add 1/8 cup, 29 milliliters, of mild liquid detergent, like Woolite or baby shampoo, to the stream. Let the tub fill with enough soapy water to immerse the coat. It's important to use lukewarm water instead of hot water, because hot water can shrink the coat. Number 3. Soak the coat. Immerse the coat in the soapy water. Push it down until it's saturated enough to stop floating. Leave the coat to soak for 30 minutes. Squeeze the jacket all over with your hands to make sure the soapy water gets into all the fibers. Saturating and soaking the coat will help prevent shrinkage. Number 4. Agitate the coat to remove dirt. After an hour or 2 of soaking, rub soiled areas with your fingers to get rid of dirt and grime. Then, swish the coat around in the water to dislodge dirt and other particles. Don't scrub the wool against itself to clean it, because this can cause felting. Number 5. Rinse the coat. Drain the soapy water from the bathtub. Transfer the coat to a large bucket. Rinse out the tub, and then refill it with clean lukewarm water. Return the coat to the tub full of clean water. Swish the coat around in the water to remove excess dirt and soap. Repeat the rinsing process if necessary if there's still a lot of soap coming out in the water. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 3. Washing a wool coat in the machine. Number 1. Place the coat into a wash bag. It is possible that your jacket has a care label that says the garment can be machine washed. Before washing the coat, turn it inside out and place it inside a mesh wash bag. This will protect it from rubbing and getting snagged in the washer. You can use a large pillowcase if you don't have a wash bag. Place the coat inside and tie the top of the pillowcase in a loose knot. If the coat is too large for a pillowcase, wrap it up in a bed sheet and tie the bed sheet together around the coat. Number 2. Add the water and detergent. Set your washing machine to fill the drum with lukewarm water. As the water is running, add 1/8 cup, 29 milliliters, of a delicate or wool-specific detergent like Woolite or wool shampoo. Let the drum fill with soapy water. Soaking a wool coat is an important part of the washing process. If you have a front loader and aren't able to soak the coat in the machine, either wash it by hand, or soak it first in a tub and then transfer it to the machine. Number 3. Soak the coat. Place the coat into the soapy water in the drum of the washing machine. Press it down into the water so the fibers become saturated and the coat sinks. Leave the lid open and let the coat soak in the soapy water for 30 minutes. Soaking will help prevent shrinkage and loosen dirt. Number 4. Wash the coat. After 30 minutes of soaking, close the washing machine lid. Set your washer to a delicate, hand wash, or wool setting. Turn the machine on and let it wash the coat. It's important to use a cycle for wools or delicates because it will involve less agitation and rubbing, both of which can cause felting. Make sure the washing machine temperature is set to lukewarm, otherwise the coat may shrink. When the wash cycle is complete, remove the coat, take it out of the wash bag, and turn it right side out. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 4. Drying a wool coat. Number 1. Squeeze out excess water. Hold the coat over a sink or tub. Working from the top of the coat toward the bottom, gently squeeze the coat to remove excess water. Do not wring or twist the wool or you could distort and stretch it. When you get to the bottom of the coat, go back to the top and squeeze the coat again from top to bottom. Number 2. Roll the coat in a towel. Lay out a large towel on a table. Lay the coat flat on top of the towel. Roll up the jacket and the towel together, like you're making a jelly roll. When the jacket has been rolled up into the towel, squeeze the towel to help it absorb moisture from the coat. Do not twist or wring the jacket when it's rolled in the towel. Unroll the towel and remove the coat. Number 3. Lay the coat flat to dry. Replace the wet towel with a clean dry one. Spread the coat out on the towel and leave it to dry flat. After the first day, turn the coat over to let the other side dry. Drying may take 2 to 3 days. Never hang wet wool to dry, as it could cause stretching and misshaping. Never dry a wool coat in the dryer, as it can cause shrinkage. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Tips. 1. You can help keep your wool coat clean by spot cleaning stains when necessary, and by hanging it up and airing it out after each time you wear it. 2. Spot treat stains as quickly as possible. 3. Wear a scarf around the inside collar to prevent body soil and makeup stains. 4. Use a fabric refresher spray to eliminate strong odors. 5. For garments that can't be washed, use a home dry cleaning kit, including the stain remover for a quick refresher. 6. Use a clothes steamer or the steam from a hot shower to remove odors and wrinkles. Warnings. 1. Do not machine wash a wool coat that recommends hand washing. You could damage the materials that provide the coat with its shape and structure, such as interfacing, padding, and lining. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no.